GeopByte.
Similarly, let us take the another important problem. Okay, look at the screen. It is asking like this. Two particles of mass 5 kg and 10 kg respectively are attached to the two ends of a rigid rod of length 1 meter with negligible mass. This problem is very similar to previous one. There is a rigid rod of length 1 meter and you are asked to ignore the mass of the rod, but two masses are connected. One is 5 kg attached to one end and 10 kg attached to other end. Then you are asked to decide the center of mass of the system from the 5 kg particle is nearly at a distance of. You are asked to decide the center of mass of the whole system with respect to 5 kg particle. For that, look at the arrangement, the same arrangement. This is the length of the rod equal to 1 meter only, 1 meter only, and this is the rigid rod. This is the rigid rod. Here, let MA equal to 5 kg. Mass of the particle A is 10 kg, 5 kg. Mass of the particle A is 5 kg. Mass of the particle B is 10 kilograms. We are asked to decide center of mass with respect to 5 kg mass. That means this is the reference mass. Reference mass. Okay. Now what is the general formula for center of mass? XCOM equal to MA XA plus MB XB divided by MA plus MB. Okay. Since reference mass is 5 kg, for that XA equal to 0, XB equal to length of the rod equal to 1 meter. It is equal to 5 into 0 plus MB 10 into 1 divided by 5 plus 10. It is equal to 0 plus 10 by 15. It is equal to 10 by 15 meters. Okay, it is approximately equal to 0.267 meters. But look at the options. All options are given in centimeters. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. Means if you want to convert from meter to centimeter, it must be multiplied with 100. Then multiply with 100 for getting 67 centimeters. That is the answer. Look at the option B. Option B is absolutely correct. Okay? Yes. Similarly, let us take the another important problem. Another important problem. It is asking like this. It is asking like this. An object flying in air with velocity 20 I cap plus 25 j cap minus 12 k cap suddenly breaks into two pieces whose mass are in the ratio 1:5. The smaller mass flies with a velocity 100 I cap plus 35 j cap plus 8 k cap. The velocity of the larger piece will be. It is like this. There is a mass m is maintaining velocity equal to 20 I cap plus 25 j cap minus 12 k cap. It is suddenly breaking into two particles. It is suddenly breaking into two particles. Let me try it clearly. It is suddenly breaking into two particles. Among the two particles, the two particles are in the ratio 1:5 means this is the m by 6. This is the 5m by 6. That summation must be equal to m. The smaller mass flies with the velocity. This is the smaller mass, right? So this is the smaller mass. M by 6 is the smaller mass. He is maintaining the velocity. Right? Let this is the piece 1. This is the piece 2. I can say m1 equal to m by 6 with a velocity v equal to, look at the velocity, 100 I cap plus 35 j cap plus 8k cap. 8k cap. The velocity of the larger particle. Here m2 equal to what? 5m by 6. What is the velocity of that particle? That is the question. So you can find the v2 by law of conservation of linear momentum. Let us apply that from conservation of linear momentum. Linear momentum, that is m into v equal to m1 v1 plus m2 v2. m2 v2. Here m into v equal to, look at the v value, 20 I cap plus 25 j cap. 20 I cap plus 25 j cap minus 12 k cap minus 12 k cap is equal to m1 v1. m1 is m by 6. m by 6 into v1. Look at the v1. v1 is 100 I cap plus 35 j cap. 100 I cap plus 35 j cap. 35 j cap plus 8 k cap plus 5m by 6 into v2. That v2 you are asked to decide. Now let us simplify it. Here m is cancelled on both sides. M will be cancelled on both sides. Now it is 20 I cap plus 25 j cap minus 12 k cap is equal to 100 I cap plus 35 j cap plus 8 k cap plus v2 whole thing divided by 6. Then you bring the 6 to left. Then it is becoming 120 I cap plus 25 into 6, 150 I cap, j cap. Should be very careful. J cap minus 72 k cap must be equal to 100 I cap plus 35 j cap plus 8 k cap plus v2. Now you simplify it. v2 equal to, right, 120 minus 100 I cap, this is one quantity, plus 150 minus 35 j cap minus 72 minus 8, 72 minus 8. Okay, in bracket it can be k cap. Now you can simplify it. 120 minus 100, 20 I cap plus 115 j cap minus 80 k cap. That is the v2 value. v2, 20 I cap plus 115 j cap. 20 I cap plus 115 j cap minus 80 na? Minus 80. So it may be 115 20 I cap. So it may be printing mistake. 20 I cap plus 115 j cap minus 80 k cap. Yes, here printing mistake. Option C is absolutely correct. Understood clearly? This is also very important problem. I can say 5-star problem. This kind of problem can be repeated. Okay.
GeopByte.